So you want to customize your Apex Legends banner. Here is how to customize your Apex Legends banner. First is load up your game, go to the lobby, and then after that, click on Legend Locker. Once you're here, you can select the legend that you want to customize. Let's try customizing Horizon. And then after clicking the legend you want to customize, click on banners. Once you're here, you can select the banner you want to equip. So let's try customizing Horizon's banner. You can preview the banner styles by clicking on it once, and you can equip it by right-clicking. Okay, so that looks good. Let's go to the pose. Let's see. This looks good. And for badges, you can equip any badge that you have unlocked. So for me, let's equip 3 of these. And then for trackers, you can click on art to equip the art styles of different legends that you have unlocked. And then stats is where you can see your damages, your wins, your kills, and everything else. For intro equip, this is what your character says when you select the legend. And then for kill equip,
no, did that hurt, darling?
this is what your character says when you kill somebody. That is how you change your banner in Apex Legends.